Medicinal Garden Kit, the path to natural healing. Opening shot, a lush, vibrant garden filled with various medicinal plants. Soft, soothing music plays in the background. Narrator. Welcome to the world of natural healing with our Medicinal Garden Kit. Imagine stepping into your backyard and finding a sanctuary of health and wellness right at your fingertips. Cut to a close-up of the Medicinal Garden Kit, beautifully packaged with vibrant images of herbs and plants. Narrator. This is not just any garden kit. This is your gateway to growing a garden that can heal, soothe, and nourish your body and soul. Scene transitions to a family unpacking the kit, excitement on their faces. Narrator. Designed for everyone, from the gardening novice to the seasoned green thumb, our Medicinal Garden Kit includes everything you need to start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Close-up shots of the contents: seeds, biodegradable pots, soil, plant markers, and a comprehensive guidebook. Narrator. Each kit comes complete with organic, non-GMO seeds of carefully selected medicinal plants. You'll find seeds for Echinacea, known for boosting the immune system; Lavender, for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties; Peppermint, a natural remedy for digestive issues; and many more. Scene shifts to the family planting the seeds, following the guidebook. Narrator. Our step-by-step guidebook walks you through the planting process, ensuring that you have the knowledge and confidence to grow your medicinal garden successfully. Time-lapse of plants growing from seeds to full bloom. Narrator. Watch as your garden transforms from tiny seeds into a lush, thriving sanctuary of health. With a little care and patience, you'll soon have a vibrant garden that provides you with natural remedies for a variety of ailments. Cut to a person picking fresh herbs and making tea. Narrator. Imagine making a soothing cup of chamomile tea to ease your mind after a long day, or using fresh aloe vera to treat a minor burn. The possibilities are endless with your own medicinal garden. Scene transitions to a testimonial from a satisfied customer in their garden. Customer 1. I've always wanted to try growing my own herbs, but I didn't know where to start. The Medicinal Garden Kit made it so easy. Now I have a beautiful garden, and I feel more connected to nature and my health. Cut to an expert herbalist in a beautiful garden. Herbalist. Growing your own medicinal herbs is a wonderful way to take charge of your health. Not only do you have access to fresh organic remedies, but gardening itself is a therapeutic activity that reduces stress and improves mental well-being. Back to the family in their garden, children playing with plants, and parents harvesting herbs. Narrator. This kit is more than just a garden, it's an experience for the whole family. Teaching children about plants and natural remedies fosters a love for nature and healthy living from a young age. Scene shifts to a kitchen where the family is preparing food and remedies using herbs from their garden. Narrator. The benefits of your medicinal garden extend beyond health. Fresh herbs add incredible flavors to your meals, making your cooking healthier and more delicious. Montage of various uses of the herbs: making tea, preparing salves, adding to dishes. Narrator. From teas and tinctures to salves and syrups, the Medicinal Garden Kit empowers you to create a wide range of natural products that promote health and well-being. Cut to a close-up of the Medicinal Garden Kit with a call-to-action text overlay. Narrator. Start your journey to natural healing today. Order your Medicinal Garden Kit now and take the first step towards a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Scene fades to the website and contact information. Narrator. Visit our website at www.medicinalgardenkit.com or call 1-800-HEALING to get your kit now. Embrace the power of nature and transform your life with the Medicinal Garden Kit. Closing shot. The family enjoying their garden at sunset with a sense of peace and fulfillment. Narrator. The Medicinal Garden Kit. Nurturing health naturally. End with the logo and tagline, Medicinal Garden Kit. Grow your own health. Music fades out. Screen fades to black. ###. Detailed breakdown of the Medicinal Garden Kit. ###1. Kit contents. *** organic seeds. Echinacea, lavender, peppermint, chamomile, aloe vera, and more. ***. Biodegradable pots. Eco-friendly pots that make transplanting easy and sustainable. *** premium soil. Specially formulated soil mix to give your herbs the best start. *** plant markers. Keep track of your plants with these durable markers. *** comprehensive guidebook. Detailed instructions on planting, growing, and using your medicinal herbs. ###2. Benefits of each herb. *** Echinacea. *** boosts immune function, helps fight colds.